In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop Discord from launching every time you sign into Windows. So the first thing you can do is disable it through Task Manager. So to open up Task Manager, all you need to do is right click on your taskbar, click onto Task Manager, and you then need to click onto the Startup tab. Once you're on this tab, you now need to find Update, and then for the publisher name it needs to be GitHub. You can then right click on this and go disable, and that will stop Discord from launching every time you sign into Windows. However, if you do not have this option available, then we need to disable Discord through Discord settings. So to do this, all you need to do is open up Discord. Once you're in Discord, you now need to click on the settings cog next to your username, and you now need to click on Windows Settings under App Settings, and you will now see an option for Open Discord under System Startup Behavior. We need to disable this by toggling it to off, and Discord will now no longer launch every time you sign into Windows. If you are disabling Discord because you don't like it booting up in full screen when you sign into Windows, then you can always have it minimized to your system tray by toggling on the Start Minimized option. So that now does bring me to the end of this video. I hope this tutorial helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.